The fifth vulnerability that we are going to see in OWASP is security misconfiguration. So, usage of default credentials lead to security misconfiguration. Attackers often tend to attack unpatched flaws. So any software which is running outdated or is not patched may lead to security misconfiguration. Misconfigured web servers or DNS configurations are also a very important factor which leads to security misconfiguration vulnerabilities. Misconfigured access control between two users, a admin or a super admin, can also lead to security misconfiguration issues. Why security misconfiguration happens? Whenever any application has started unnecessary features, so any web application or any database, if it has enabled unnecessary features or has installed unnecessary softwares, security misconfiguration can happen. The security settings in app servers like struts, Spring, ASP.NET, any libraries or database, etc., are not set to secure and are kept at the default. Then it leads to security misconfig. So, what can be achieved by security misconfig? Account takeovers, remote code execution, malware injections, email spoofing, which can be achieved by misconfigured TXT and DNS records, also server-side injection. How do we fix security misconfiguration issues? Never ever keep the default configurations and go live with your application. Admins and developers have to change their default configurations. For example, default passwords like admin. Update all your software and applications. Patch all the unpatched flaws. Disable all the unnecessary functions into the application. Thank you.